You were born to win, but to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, expect to win. You can have results or excuses, but not both. Everybody pities the weak. Jealousy you have to earn. You can't climb the ladder of success with your hands in your pockets. If it's hard to remember, it'll be difficult to forget. Positive thinking can be contagious. Being surrounded by winners helps you develop into a winner. Life's 6 rules for success. Trust yourself. Break some rules. Don't be afraid to fail. Ignore the naysayers. Work like hell. Give something back. The wolf on the hill is not as hungry as the wolf climbing the hill. When you have a well-developed body and you are confident, you see people bending your way, wanting to be on your side, wanting to do things for you. The mind always fails first, not the body. The secret is to make your mind work for you, not against you. Start wide, expand further, and never look back. The mind is the limit. As long as the mind can envision the fact that you can do something, you can do it. As long as you really believe 100%.